sentencing is in this case for possibility on a penalty of law. Thank you.
All right. Do we have any preliminary matters before the jury? Yes.
You had one too, yes?
Yes.
You go first. Yours is shorter.
Judge, there were objections to Exhibits 10 and 16 because the Commonwealth indicated that it was more than the 2 pages that were there.
Okay,
So
all right.
we found those.
We've taken care of that.
We're in
so-
agreement, yes.
So 10 and 16 are admitted into evidence. Okay.
And I have the updated versions, Judge, which we can put on the
Okay. That's fine.
exhibits at the end
If
of
you
the
just
day.
get those to me at close of business today, we'll have 10 and 16 in evidence.
Thank
Okay?
you. And that would be, did you?
Okay, Your Honor, we are requesting permission to add an individual to our witness list for rebuttal. Given the defendant's testimony yesterday, we were approached by a witness who indicated that they had specific information that was contrary to something the defendant testified to. This is a surprise to the Commonwealth. We were not obviously aware of what the defendant was going to say yesterday, and this witness was not one who we had this information from in the past. So we are asking to add T. Patrick Smith to our witness list for rebuttal.
Steve Patrick Smith?
Letter T, Patrick Smith.
Gotcha. All right. Yes, sir.
I haven't seen anything about this, Judge, so I would like to see if there's any sort of investigatory report as to who this person was or
I mean,
what the basis of it is.
Okay. I mean, you can talk to Ms. Sands at a break. You can, I assume you don't.
I can tell the court now, I can tell Mr. Carroll later, however the court would prefer.
What would you like?
We can have a break and talk about it.
Okay, that's fine. It's a rebuttal witness, so I'm not going to have an objection to it, but you can get the information that you need.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. Anything further?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Mr. Banfield, if you want to go ahead and take the stand. Yeah, I'm sorry, I just can't.
Your Honor, what I was asking was if he could have a bottle of water, but it looks as though the deputy's already taken
There.
care of that.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. All right. Your next question, sir?
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Banfield, we left off, and I had asked you the question on February 24th, 2023, had you touched anyone's devices other than yours?
No, I had not.
And had you specifically touched the laptop that you know was Christine's laptop that she used for work?
No, I did not.
Or her phone?
No, I didn't touch either the laptop or her phone.
Now, we were speaking about February 24th, 2023 at the time that we broke for the night last night. One of the things that I wanted to get into, and it will require us to go back, Juliana Perez Magalhaes was your au pair, correct?
Yes.
And she worked through a company, correct?
Yes.
And what were the limitations in terms of what she could do in terms of work, and how long could she stay?
In general, she could work, I believe, 45 hours a week. Her term for how long she could stay. She had a contract with us for a year.
Okay. And at the time that you told the ladies and gentlemen of the jury that you and she started a relationship, had she wanted to extend at that point?
She had already extended her visa for a second year. So I believe it was October of 21 that she came for her first year, and then she extended for a second year, which would have gone to October of 23. But no, she had not indicated anything about extending further.
Okay.
And she couldn't be extended further as an au pair at that point, is my understanding.
But when she first came, she was, how long was she supposed to be staying?
1 year.
Okay. And there came a time where she requested to extend. When did that happen in terms of the time frame we're talking about?
Maybe that summer, that summer prior to 22.
22. Okay. Would that have been prior to the two of you, your relationship changing?
I believe it had been discussed prior to that, but I don't know that decisions were made.
Okay. Now, as part of her cultural care obligations or your obligations, what did you have to do on your side to assist her?
I didn't do anything to assist her. Christine was the one that handled all the cultural care forms, payments.
Okay.
Whether or not to extend or I didn't do anything with that process really.
Okay. And so that was pretty much mainly Christine, is that correct?
Yeah, I believe that she had all the contact with, I don't know the exact title, but the person that manages the au pairs.
Okay. Well, then, if she had done that, then I won't ask you any further questions about that. Now, we were previously talking about February 24th, 2023. And I think you had described for the ladies and gentlemen of the jury that you had come back from the McDonald's,